Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you for sharing and liking our videos. Please help us by subscribing to our channel as well. In the first instance, I would like to thank Mr. T.G. Shanbagh for providing his support and making a video on income tax and sharing it with us. I think it was very useful. I would also like to thank CA Krishna Raya Shyanbhoga for providing a video on PF which you are going to watch now and share it with your friends. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Krishna Raya Shyanbhoga, Chartered Accountant practicing for the last 30 years in Bangalore. On request of CA Sharath Shanbagh, our young partner, I make this presentation in respect of recent announcements from Government of India for the organizations and the employees of certain categories. In view of pandemic, the business activities are closed due to lockdown of whole nation. As a result, the business and industrial units may have to face huge losses of revenue and overheads, fixed overheads. To compensate this to some extent, a big announcement from government immediately after lockdown was announced. Our Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharamanji announced for Provident Fund organizations and subscribers of Provident Fund under the Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan Yojana certain benefits. What are those benefits? First benefit she has announced in respect of compensation in respect of PF contribution to small organizations. Under this scheme, government will pay Workers' Provident Fund for a period of 3 months starting from March, April, May 2020 in respect of both employees' contribution and employers' contribution. Thus, it will bear the cost of employees' contribution, that is 12% of salary, plus employers' contribution, again 12% of salary. This will be compensated or borne by the government. But this is available to certain categories of organizations only. As I told, it is to smaller organizations. So what are the conditions to avail this benefit? First one is, this scheme is applicable for the establishments with up to 100 employees, and out of which 90% of employees are drawing less than a monthly salary of rupees 15,000. These are the two conditions which are to be fulfilled by the organizations. In such case, this benefit will be available to such organizations. It is expected that this would benefit to around 4.8 crores of employees. Again, the government has come out with a Atmanirbhar Abhiyan, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, that is self-reliant India movement, under which it has come out with so many packages. Again, at the time of announcement of these packages, in view of continuing crisis, it has extended this benefit to smaller organizations, that is of contribution of Provident Fund in respect of both employees and employers for next 3 months period, that is for the months of June, July and August. Thus, the benefit is available for 6 months from March to August 2020. And again, the second amendment, that is the second benefit given under Prime Minister's Garib Kalyan Yojana immediately after lockdown was announced, was in respect of benefits to be given to the employees of PF subscribers. That is, in respect of all the employees, the government has amended the EPFO regulations to such extent that it will allow workers under Provident Fund organizations and enrolled under Provident Fund scheme to draw a non-refundable advance. To what extent? A non-refundable advance to the extent of 75% of amount standing to the credit of their PF account, with a limit to 3 months' wages of the respective employee. That means there are two conditions. One is 75% of the amount standing to the credit of PF account, and 3 months' wages, whichever is lower, can be drawn by the employee for his benefit. It is expected that these schemes would increase the liquidity and also purchasing power of the employees due to inflow of funds by way of these non-refundable advances. It is not to be refunded, and again it is free of interest. One more benefit is under Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme. They have reduced the Provident Fund contribution to the private sector organizations from 12% to 10%, both in respect of employers' contribution and employees' contribution. Thus, a private sector may opt for contributing lesser contribution so that it will enhance the liquidity. Again, this scheme is not applicable to government organizations and public sector organizations. I hope this will boost the economy to some extent and will give a support to the smaller organizations and also employees in toto. Thank you.